this is the instructions of how to play Race to the Top, which is going to be one of your activities for Tuesday, April 14th. And I have included this in the math lesson plans for the week, as well as under the math EDSB tab. So go to EDSB and then go to the math tab and you will see the instructions for this. It says that you will need 2 dice, each numbered 1 to 6 per team, but you're going to be doing this individually at home, so just for yourself. And you'll need a Race to the Top game sheet, which looks like this and is also in my lesson plans and also posted in the math tab on EDSB. Okay, so there's my pencil and there is my 2 dice that I'm going to be using. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the dice. And I'm going to add together the 2 numbers on the dice to get a sum. So 4 plus 2 is 6. My sum, I go to the column, which represents my sum, which is 6. And I'm going to put an X right in that column. Okay, I'm going to do the first 5 rolls with you. My second roll is a 5 and a 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. I take that sum, I go to the 9 column, and I put an X. My third spin is a 5 and a 3, which is an 8. Again, I go to the column, I put in X in the 8 column. My fourth spin is 2 sixes. 6 and 6 is 12. I go to the 12 column and put an X. And my fifth spin with you guys is a 3 and a 4, which is a 7. And I go and I put an X in the 7 column. So I have just done 5 spins. The goal of the game is to continue rolling till 3 columns have reached the top. The first column that reaches the top is going to be your first place sum winner. The column that arrives to the top next becomes your second place, as well as the column that gets to the top third becomes your third place. And then once you have 3 columns that have reached the top, you can stop the game. At that point, I would like you to go to EDSB and send me a message with your top 3 sums. So maybe it was 7, maybe it was 2, maybe it was 10. Just send me a little message. Hi, Mrs. Dobrich. For Race to the Top game, my top 3 sums were, and just send me that. I will record that and put it all together in a little chart for us so that we can see the outcome among all the students that participated in the Race to the Top game. All right, and that is the first activity that you're going to be doing in math today. I hope that you have fun with that activity and, a little probability game.